Welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Volvo today, and we have upgraded its head unit, its screen. As you can see this, we have installed a 9-inch screen in this car, but you can install 12-inch. We have 12-inch screen for this car as well, 12.3-inch. Plus we have like a Tesla style screen as well. If you want any screen, you can contact us. All your original OEM menu, original buttons, everything will work in this car. This car is specifically comes from 2014 model to up to 2017 model, and we have this car. This is 2016 model, and same screen works with the Volvo XC60 as well. If you need any solution for your Volvo, we can activate OEM Retrofit CarPlay in the Volvo from 2014 to 2013 models. We have solutions for all Volvo models, all Volvo cars, direct from Sweden. If you need anything, any help, so you can contact us. You can reach us via our emails or WhatsApp number, so we can help you. Today we have this S60. This is specifically 2016 model, and we have activated installed a screen, 9-inch screen. It's a 4GB and 64GB memory screen with CarPlay, Android Auto, both are wireless. As you can see, my iPhone is here, and I have connected my iPhone here, and I will show you later on how the CarPlay is working with the screen. First of all, if we go apps, main menu apps, then we have this radio widget, this little speedometer widget, the maps here. This is the theme. You can change the theme as well. First of all, we have navigation is connected with the, right now it's not set, but I will set it from here. We have lots of navigation application, but right now I have only map. But if you want screen, we can give you iGo navigation as well. That is an offline navigation, latest map data. So here you can see on the home menu. Now it's worked with the, sorry, it's not paired. I have paired right now. Now when you will tap on the screen, it will appear the Google Maps. Right now the screen is not connected with the internet, that's why it is not working. But if I show you, this car has the internet system as well, but we have installed our own USB card for direct internet. Here you can install SIM card slot, or here two USBs for your music and videos or data copy or further upgrades and updates. Here you can see from the screen, we have the screen which has everything working. Like you can see the steering wheel buttons are working as it is from here as well. Plus we have the OEM options that are working on the screen as well. You can see here, like everything. My climate control is also working in the screen. Plus I will show you, we have the access of the OEM menu as well. If I go back, so here are some shortcuts. If I press the radio button, so it will. Right now I am in the garage, or I don't have the good radio frequency, so that's why radio is not working that much good, but it works as original. We have not connected the antenna from this. It is connected with the OEM system, but if you are living in USA or some other, you want to change the region, so you can connect a radio antenna, AM FM radio antenna back of the screen as well, the extra antenna. Then we have the music player. From music player you can play any kind of music. Right now from the screen we have not modified any kind of video or audio cables. You can see it's the OEM cable or OEM sound that is working from the speakers. If you have some special amplifier like Bose or any other, so it will work as it is. Then we have Spotify, but Spotify again works with the OEM with the internet. Right now we don't have the internet in the car, so that will not work. Here you can see we have the OEM menu working as well. This is the factory menu that is most important when the car goes for the service, or any notification or error message comes here. You can see from here, from the screen. You can use the same dial for navigation. In the original menu you have the original navigation as well, original camera in the car, so it will work as it is. So here it is, you can see everything is working fine. If I go back to the main menu, here you can see we have the all Android applications, plus everything is working as it is. As you can see, we have connected the original OEM camera as well with this car. Here I will show you when I will press the gear lever in reverse, so it will appear like this. So it is the original camera that is working, and it is working. The lines are also working. These are dynamic lines working with the steering wheel. So if I put the car in the parking, so here it appears on the app menu. From the app menu we have different apps for the screen. For app menu, here App Store, you can download lots of gadgets from the widgets from the App Store. aux, we have aux function as well. We have Bluetooth. From Bluetooth you can connect any kind of mobile phone. Then we have calculator, you can use calculator. You can download any kind of Android application from this screen, as we have this Play Store, same like Android mobile or Android tablet. So from here you can connect any kind of you can download any kind of application, Android application. We have Netflix, but right now don't have the internet. I am in the garage, so we don't have good signals here. But if you will connect this screen with the Wi-Fi or with the SIM card, so you will get the navigation, Netflix, internet direct on the screen, so you can directly use live navigation. Then we have operational guide. From operational guide there are lots of settings, shows you how to connect your screen with the OEM menu. From the buttons, all information is here. Plus we have fan connected back of the screen that is working. So I will turn off the fan because it's it's a little bit noisy to record the video. Then we have a radio here, same like original. Gallery, some Android applications. We have music application, as you can see. Here you can see the music is working. It's the original OEM amplifier. We have not modified any kind of speaker wires for this screen, so you can use the factory amplifier as well. This car doesn't come with the amplifier. This is a normal car, but if you have the Boost sound system or Harman Kardon sound system, you can connect the same amplifier with the car as well. If I go back, there are lots of some other applications here, so you can watch YouTube video as normal. This will work while driving as well. If you are driving the car, you can connect the video, or you can watch the video while driving as well. It will not stop. If I go back, here I have connected my iPhone, so let me check. Now it's connected. Here you can see I have the Apple CarPlay connected with my screen. Here we have lots of Apple CarPlay applications that are all working with this screen or appearing here. Here you can see I am using Waze, so you can use direct live navigation systems. Here we have lots of applications, phone, music, apps. This is the Apple Maps. Then we have now playing, back, podcast, audiobooks. Then we have lots of other applications, parking apps, Google Map, Sveriges radio. This is the Swedish radio. We have some Waze and Uber Driver or other applications from Google. You can use the Google Maps. Here you can see it is working with the internet, and we are in Malmvägen. Here you can see Sollentuna. This is our address. If you have any query or if you want to buy the screen, you can come direct to us. We will happy to help you. This screen has the buttons here as well, so you can use them as well. Right now they are not appearing because the car is not on. This is on parking mode. I have turned off the lights, but when I will put the car in auto, so the lights will appear as it is. So we will send you another video for how to adjust the settings of the screen, like these lights, everything. So that's the video for today. If you have any car, any Volvo car, any other car, you can contact us. We can activate CarPlay for the same Volvo screen from 2009 to 2023. We have screens for previous Volvo models as well. If you have any questions, you can reach via link in the description. I will provide all the links for contact. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.